You mix 1/2 cup of red paint for every 1/4 cup of blue paint to make 12 cups of purple paint. How much red paint and blue paint do you use? Method 1. The ratio of red paint to blue paint is 1/2 to 1/4. Use a ratio table to find an equivalent ratio in which the total amount of red paint and blue paint is 12 cups. You mix 1/2 cup of red paint with 1/4 cup of blue paint to obtain a total of 1/2 plus 1/4, which is equal to 3/4 cup of purple paint. Multiply by 4 to obtain 2 cups of red paint, 1 cup of blue paint, and 3 cups total. Multiply by 4 again to obtain 8 cups of red paint, 4 cups of blue paint, and 12 cups total. So, you use 8 cups of red paint and 4 cups of blue paint. Method 2. Use the fraction of purple paint that is made from red paint and the fraction of purple paint that is made from blue paint. You use 1/2 cup of red paint for every 1/4 cup of blue paint. So the fraction of purple paint that is made from red paint is 1/2 divided by 1/2 plus 1/4, which is equal to 1/2 divided by 3/4, which is equal to 1/2 times 4/3, which is equal to 2/3. Similarly, the fraction of purple paint that is made from blue paint is 1/4 divided by 1/2 plus 1/4, which is equal to 1/4 divided by 3/4, which is equal to 1/4 times 4/3, which is equal to 1/3. So, you use 2/3 times 12, which is equal to 8, cups of red paint, and 1/3 times 12, which is equal to 4, cups of blue paint.